I know today is Saturday and not Sunday. I usually do this kind of videos like Sundays, but tomorrow is going to be a busy day maybe. So let's be cautious and let's do the video today. And if tomorrow I have time, I do another one. That's it, okay? I was working on this rigging is for a project I do it with a friend, Luis Cadavid. And I think like this is really a basic tutorial on shapes, but something that is basic for me may not be that basic for someone else. So if you are looking for this information, you are in the right spot, okay? I'm going to change the shape of a controller. That's it, okay? That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing more. I have this mouth. I created this mouth with a script called AO Ribbonizer. Really nice script. You download it, select an herb, run this command, and you're done, okay? It's really easy. But I don't like the cubes. Why? Because all my character is like circles. Only have cubes in IK controllers. So if you see this, everything is a circle. So let's continue with circles. I just need 3 circles, okay? For doing a sphere. I need one. The first one is going to be in X, in Y. So I select Y. This is going to be in this, and we have our sphere, okay? Now I need them to be in the same shape, so they are like compact. If I select one, select the 3 of them. So for this one I have this RDM Tools version 2. It's not released yet because it's not completed, but I'm going to do it by hand. Select the 2 shapes, the transform, and in Meld write parent R S, and if you run this, the shapes move into the transform, okay? Now we have these 3 in here. This is the exact same command as in this button, so I'm going to use the button because it's easier, okay? Now I'm going to select these 3 shapes, this transform right here, and do parent RS, okay? Oh, they are way too big, so select them, those 3, component mode, scale them, and return to this mode, and you are done. Delete the cube, okay? Doing this, again need to do the 3 controllers, again need to do, so not going to do it that way. Now we have one setup, the next one is going to be a little different. If you see here, we have another command, parent sadd. Is creating an instance of the same controller. So let's see, first of all I'm going to change the color. This is not available yet, so let's do it by hand so you learn that. Object displayed, drawing overrides, enable them, and I really like, I think, white. I use a lot of white. Let's change it to this yellow. You can use RGB too if you want, but I don't know, I use the other method because my teacher told me that. My teacher Vero Morera is a great rigger. Really appreciate her for teaching me a lot, okay? Now select this one and parent sadd. If you see, it's duplicated. It's like magic. And if we select one of these, it's moving all of the others. So if we need to do like a change in here, it's automatically do in this one. It's really nice, that method, okay? Now select those 3 again. I'm going to do it a little faster. These 3, not this one, this, boop. Automatically when you do this, select the shape. So now you just go to the next one and do it, and that's it. We are not it yet. We need the 5 right here, add. Now we delete the cubes, delete, and delete, okay? Now we are done. Oh, if you see, we only changed the color of one curve. We need to change the color of the 3 curves, okay? I really like this yellow. I think I never use it. This, yeah. This one, yellow. There we go. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for the upper part. Maybe we are going to duplicate them because I want this is still I never do this, like duplicate one. Yeah, it's duplicated, so it's not an instance anymore. So we're going to change the color of this one, so the upper part and the lower part have different colors, obviously, because the animator will complain if he cannot use the tool easily. We need to make sure the animator is happy. If the animator is happy, we are happy. Okay, now go to the upper part, up mouth in this case. Sorry, is this one? Yeah, there we go. Select these three again, the transform, remember this one, and SR. Now this one, add them, add them, add them, add them, and we are done. We just need to delete the awful cube. Actually, it's really nice, the cube. I usually use it for the brows, but for this one it's circles everywhere. So that's it. That is a pretty nice tutorial on shapes, how to work with shapes. We learn how to use them, how to change color, how to instance them. So hope you find it useful, and if you want to know anything else, please let me know. I try to do this kind of videos every Sunday, so tell me what you think.